Hey everyone, welcome back to the Auto UK. Imagine a vehicle that encapsulates the freedom of the open road, the efficiency of modern engineering, and the comfort of a compact home, all on three wheels. The 2026 Buffalino Camper Tricycle is not just a mode of transportation, it's a lifestyle choice for the modern adventurer. At first glance, the Buffalino's design is both minimalist and functional. Built upon the reliable Piaggio 850 platform, this tricycle camper maintains a compact footprint, making it ideal for navigating narrow city streets and winding country roads alike. Its lightweight frame contributes to impressive fuel efficiency, a nod to sustainable travel. Step inside, and you're greeted by a surprisingly spacious interior. The layout is meticulously planned to maximize utility without sacrificing comfort. A foldable bed transforms into a seating area during the day, while a compact kitchenette includes a single-burner stove, a small sink, and storage compartments for essentials. Innovative use of space ensures that every inch serves a purpose, from hidden storage under the floor to multifunctional furniture. One of the standout features of the 2026 model is its integration of solar panels. Mounted on the roof, these panels charge the onboard battery system, providing power for lighting, small appliances, and even climate control. This off-grid capability is a game-changer for those seeking adventures beyond the reach of traditional campsites. The driver's cabin is designed with ergonomics in mind. A digital dashboard provides real-time information on speed, battery levels, and navigation. The steering is responsive, and the suspension system has been upgraded to handle a variety of terrains, from smooth highways to rugged trails. Safety hasn't been overlooked. The Buffalino comes equipped with LED headlights for improved visibility, a reinforced frame for added protection, and advanced braking systems to ensure control in all conditions. These features provide peace of mind, whether you're cruising through urban landscapes or exploring remote areas. Customization options allow owners to tailor the Buffalino to their specific needs. From color choices to interior layouts, the manufacturer offers a range of configurations. Optional add-ons include roof racks for additional storage, awnings for outdoor living space, and upgraded battery systems for extended off-grid capabilities. The 2026 Buffalino Camper Tricycle is more than a vehicle. It's a testament to the possibilities of minimalist living and sustainable travel. Its design encourages a connection with the environment, promoting a lifestyle that values experiences over possessions. In terms of performance, the Buffalino's engine delivers sufficient power for its size, ensuring a smooth ride even when fully loaded. The tricycle configuration offers stability, and the compact dimensions make parking and maneuvering straightforward, even in tight spaces. Owners have praised the Buffalino for its versatility. It's equally suited for weekend getaways and extended journeys, adapting to various travel styles. The ease of maintenance and the availability of parts, thanks to its Piaggio foundation, make it a practical choice for long-term use. The environmental impact of the Buffalino is notably lower than traditional RVs. Its efficient fuel consumption, combined with solar energy utilization, reduces the carbon footprint of travel. This aligns with the growing trend of eco-conscious exploration. Community feedback highlights the Buffalino's role in fostering a sense of freedom and independence. Owners often share stories of spontaneous trips, unique destinations, and the joy of a simplified lifestyle. The vehicle becomes more than a means of transport, it becomes a companion in the journey. The 2026 Buffalino Camper Tricycle represents a fusion of innovation, practicality, and sustainability. It's a compelling option for those seeking to embrace the open road with minimal impact and maximum enjoyment.